Lily's not brushed her hair. Right, probably the last 2 days. We walked down to that forgotten house yesterday, got wet, my ankle was hurting a bit then. I didn't think it would be gout, but it's gout, so can't really see the difference between my feet. But my left leg, my left ankle is absolutely killing. Can't walk, can't do anything, can't even lie down, the pain's that bad. I normally have gout in my big toe on the right foot, so this is the first time I've had it in my ankle, which means I didn't think it was gout. I normally have baking powder, mix that with a bit of water. I normally have apple juice to start drinking when it starts, but here, too far gone. So yeah, we're not moving very far. I'm thinking about attempting to drive back into the town to go and find some apple juice, see if that'll help. Been drinking water all day, had a couple of bananas. Maybe I'll buy some apples as well. What should we do? Stop showing off. Stop showing off that you've got an okay foot. Still got spud toes.
Stop it, Dad.
3 days later.
Hi guys, it's Saturday, the something of May. Checking into an hotel today. Really reckons it's the 6th. I've still got my gout. Still in pain. So we were supposed to have left Ksamil, where we are now, yesterday, but I was supposed to have paddleboarded and we were supposed to have gone to the Blue Eye. We can't do either of them if we leave, so I've pushed back the hotel that was for tomorrow up in the sticks back to next Thursday, because we need a shower and shit. I booked an hotel for tonight, so I'll go and cry in the apartment with my foot. It's practically in the centre of town, so Lily can go mooching whenever she wants, whenever she wants. Yeah, so we're gonna park near the hotel and then have a look for the supermarket, which is underneath, I think. And I'll show you the hotel later. Well, Lily's been trying to grab every last bit of sun. There she is, hiding. Unfortunately, like, these balconies don't have the sun on them. Gutted. And the internet is worse than probably ever. The table was here, and I've had to move the table near the door. Just moved it, so done some dishes. I just hope the internet's better.
This is all my art stuff.
I just hope it's better over here, because the Wi-Fi is up there. Could have given me the room underneath the box, that would have been better. Anyway, been doing some editing and now watching a bit of YouTube and uploading stuff. Well guys, we're back on the spaghetti bolognese again. This little oven in the little hob thing in the hotel, it's only small. Quite good, quite like this. I'll buy one of these for the van. Mind you, cooking on the gas, just as good.
Tomorrow.
Well, good morning. Leftover spaghetti bolognese. Seems to be a pattern now when staying in hotels in Albania. Getting up early. Been up since 8 o'clock. I've had a fly pecking my head all night. The owner's next door. I've been up since about 7, banging shit out of everything, as usual. Don't know why they put us next door to the owners. We're the only people staying here. There's about 30 rooms. So they put us next door to the owners. Shit Wi-Fi. So yeah, quick review. Wi-Fi shit. Noisy next to owners. Drain blocks in the bathroom. Ants on the balcony and in the apartment. Plug next to my bed doesn't work. I can charge my phone. I could use my phone in bed. And with gout, that was the only comfortable place to go. Nosy outside. Not one of the best. I'll give it a... I can only give it like a 4 out of 10. I'm gonna eat this, pack our shit up, head back to the van.
A few inches later.
Well, as you can see guys, we're making our way to the sea. I've just blown up this bad boy. Trying to get down to the sea is one thing, because everyone's cutting off the beaches, making them private. I had a look down here about 3 hours ago and this guy sat at a table drinking. And they're still there now. Oh, they're playing cards. Not the best of steps here. I have to turn my camera off for this. So, I think that's the nearest island, and them 2 islands are joined together, so that's my mission, to get over to that one. Well, I know you can see me down there, paddling away. It's a bit windy. We're getting there. I'll show you around now. So we're near this island here. That's the beach over there that we've been on a few times. We usually see that island, but we're going to the one behind it. Whew. My bum's got wet. Let's go past these rocks here. Don't think there's any beach on that island. I might go round the other side of the island, straight over to the right on the way back. There's the beach, getting closer though, the one that I want to go to. Doesn't seem like there's hardly anyone there. Happy days. I'm bloody knackered guys. Oh, it's quite far that. I am knackered. So far I can see one pedalo. It's a boat you pedal. On the beach. There's a nice boat moored off, just off the island. The beach is probably going to be just full of stones, like the rest of the places down here. Oh, I can see somebody on a double manned canoe over there. We've got a boy trailing it. They're both in unison. And there's little old me here, and my dying arms. Can't wait for the rest. There's a couple of little caves over there. I'll try and sail next to them. I'll show you. There we go. Hope we're still filming. Made it guys, with a broken arm, broken foot. Fucking hell, can't get out of this fucking water. Stupid stones. People coming and going here. They don't stay very long. Always in a hurry, aren't we? Well, I'm not. I could stay here all day, me. It's unfortunate that May is a no chocolate, and worse, no beer month. Trying to be good. I've had this gout, which is a lot better today, but I'm still taking the naproxen. But yeah, I've had this week I must have had about 10 bananas, probably 10 apples, just to try and get rid of this gout. Shame the sun isn't out today. We had a glorious day yesterday. Had to use sun cream proper like for the first time. Up you can see there's like a path going round the side. So I might walk up there in a minute. I've been talking to a guy on the beach there who swam off this boat here. So his nephew is on this, no, his brother is on that boat. He's doing this sailing around the world. He's been sailing for 1 year from Holland, and he has reached Albania, and this afternoon he is going to Corfu. So that'd be nice, won't it? I'd like to fall off here. Looks like a path to nowhere. The boat is called Bavaria 41. Does this go to anywhere? Robster's Adventures. Ah, shit. Ow. I think you could probably follow the path, but I can't be asked. Not in flip-flops anyway. I reckon it'll be rather spiky. Fuck it, let's go back. How the fuck did this piece of metal get up here? That's what I want to know. Let's get back over to the easy side for the gout. Oh shit! For the gout foot. Fucking hell. That was warmer than the beach. Yeah, I think it's time to move off this island now. As nice as it is, the sun was shining and I spent hours here. And if it wasn't May and I could drink beer, I'd probably spend a day here. I'm off ski. Go back to, say, dry land. Got quite a bit to go. I need to watch this pedalo don't kill me.